As the clock strikes midnight on December 31st, this charming colonial city explodes into one of the most unique and vibrant celebrations we've ever experienced. As the streets come alive with thumping music,
Hello. You can feel it.
energetic dancing, costumes, and crowds of joyful locals and expats sharing delicious street food and sweet treats. Everywhere you look, there are massive bonfires burning Año Viejo effigies that are life-size dolls stuffed with fireworks, symbolizing the letting go of the old year's troubles in a dramatic blaze of flames, where I often found myself saying,
Crazy!
The sky lights up with spectacular fireworks, while hilarious Viudas, which are men dressed as flamboyant widows in wigs, dresses, and makeup to symbolize mourning of the dying year, playfully stopping cars to dance and collect donations for funeral expenses that they would later use to party. I did my own cleansing with a ritual called limpias, giving an out with the bad and in with the good vibe for 2026.
Bring on 2026!
It's a wild mix of tradition and fun, saying goodbye to the past and welcoming in 2026 with hope and excitement. Wow, Cuenca, you did not disappoint.
What a vibe! New Year's Eve is crazy here in Cuenca.
Yeah, it's early in the night. It's only about 7 o'clock.
It's early.
And there is people, the square is full of people down at Park Calderon. There's fireworks have been nonstop. And the music and dancing in the streets is nonstop.
Yeah, even out by where we live, there's dancing in the streets out there.
Yeah, right in front of our house.
That was crazy. I love it. Love the vibe. It's awesome down here.
There's a lot of celebrating going on, so
Yes.
We're gonna go check more of it out.
Yeah, woo, lots of loud fireworks too.
Again, out in front of San Francisco Church, we got a whole line of vendors selling all kinds of grilled meats and stuff.
Smoke is in the air. Smells good.
Music blaring next door. Good vibes.
Yep. Wow. You will not go hungry between all of the sweets that you can buy and all the street food. My goodness.
Val's been eyeing up the candy apples, so I
we
know
had
where
one of
we're
those
going
today.
after dinner.
Yeah. Lumenka.
Have you ever eaten here?
Awesome dinner.
This is our second time coming here, and Val and I just had steak dinner for $9, and it's one of the best meals that we've had here since we've been here.
Yes, it was delicious.
Yeah.
We both had steak. I always like my steak well done, and it's never cooked well done. They cooked it perfectly. I know, don't hate me out there. And the salad was awesome. The mashed potatoes were just the right garlic, butter. Man, it was really good.
And honestly, this is the second time we've been here. The first time we just had some nachos and a drink because we were meeting a friend for lunch, and we stumbled to lunch. So they make good drinks too.
Yeah.
Let's go downtown.
All right. So it is now 8:30. We have lots of time to kill, roam around. I got my 2026 glasses.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. So we're just going to go down to the square and yeah, just take in the festivities.
See what's going on.
Jay and I were just talking, and it seems like, okay, the Christmas parade seemed like a Christmas concert. And New Year's, to me, feels more like a mix of Halloween and New Year's.
Yeah, there's a lot of masks they sell, people wearing masks running around.
People dressed up in costumes.
Dressing up.
Like,
It's a very, very different holiday here.
Yeah. But it's a fun one because it's such a vibe downtown.
Yeah.
Oh my
I mean,
gosh.
definitely different for us, but it's,
Yeah.
they're into it. Holy, everybody is
I'm dancing.
Yeah,
And like,
yeah, everybody's vibing.
yeah, I love it.
Entre mi falda y tu pantalón, entre mi falda y tu pantalón, la cumbia canta su canción. Tumbadito pa' acá, tumbadito pa' allá, tumbadito pa' acá, tumbadito pa' allá. Yo soy mujer presente, yo era de pocas palabras, y él era insistente.
Out with the old, in with the new. There you go.
Písalo ahí. Písalo, así.
Oh. That's an egg, right? Yeah. Just cracking the egg.
Las energías tiene. Está.
Good? Yeah. Saying it's good.
Ya. Riega que así botei.
Refreshed.
Yeah.
Ready. Woo! Ready for 2026.
All the bad juju's out.
Gone. Yes.
This is a really cute alleyway, the way they've
It
done
is,
Like,
yeah.
everybody comes here for photos.
Yeah, it's so picturesque. That was a big
And
bang.
fireworks. I think Cuenca has to be the most firework country we've ever place
been
we've ever
to.
been to, city we've ever been to.
Yeah.
It's
Ever.
pretty much since we've been here, there's been fireworks
All the time.
almost daily.
Yeah, like when we got here, they're having Independence Day, and it seems like the parties never stop. They just keep on going.
It just rolls into the next holiday.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean,
Alright.
honestly, I don't think we've ever been anywhere where they sell you fireworks for $1.
Right, Roman
$1, you
candle.
can go shoot some Roman candles into the cathedral. Just for fun.
Awesome. This area is always really pretty.
Oh, there's a lot of people just hanging out here.
Yeah. You can totally understand why, because it's so pretty. The cathedral is up there. I have to go across the way to see it. Let's get a better picture.
This is probably the most people I've ever seen in here. Oh, they have like a big wine display set up over here tonight.
Oh,
They're doing sales all around the outside.
you had me at wine.
You had me at wine. Yeah, this is the first time we've ever seen this. They've got a
that's true.
market set up on the
Yeah.
outside.
Yep. Okay, so can you see the cathedral now, guys? How awesome is that? Right? It's so pretty.
It's so
Love
chill
it.
in here too. Everybody's just
I know.
mellow.
You can still hear the cracks and the snaps of all
the fireworks.
fireworks. Oh my god. Wow. All right, let's go around the outside and see what they got. Some
Yeah, go check out the
places
sale.
are open, some are not.
Watch out for the
look at this
chihuahua.
little chihuahua. Mhm. Oh, well, the snack, the dessert table. Here we go.
Yeah. I see your bounty balls.
Yeah.
Need some of them for the road?
Maybe one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe one.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll get you some.
So we'll get
Buenas noches.
one bounty ball, maybe two.
Can we get dos? Por
That's what
favor.
we're into.
Y dos.
Oh. Relleno de coco. Four. Oh,
Sí.
goodness.
Sí.
Oh, my
I got a little
goodness. So Jay got two of these and two of these.
Anything else look good?
Everything
Everything
looks
looks
good. Who's getting you?
Todo bien.
This looks good. The peanuts and the looks like peanuts.
Yeah, that looks like kind of like the marshmallow cookies that Mom makes.
Confetti cookies?
Confetti cookies, only they got peanuts.
Yeah.
I gotta break a 20.
I have change.
I hope they have change.
There's a lot of places that don't have, can't break a 10, can't break a 20.
okay?
Yeah, that's-
Gracias.
Le pongo una fundita de plástico, una
Do
funda.
you want a plastic bag or
Plastic.
just give a backpack?
No necesito. Gracias.
Gracias.
Did you hear that? Speaking Spanish.
What?
We get grief all the time,
All
for,
the
for
time.
learning zero Spanish. We do speak Spanish
We do.
as much as we can to the people.
I am on day 73 of Duolingo, okay? Just because I don't speak it on camera doesn't mean I don't speak it at all.
Yeah. We're working on it.
We are.
Oh, look at those
This is cute.
cute little purses. Ooh.
What are you oohing about?
I see some Panama hats that look pretty
Yeah. Oh. Ooh, chocolate.
cool. Girly,
Oh,
girly
yeah.
stuff.
Okay. That smells like chocolate. Very nice.
Oh, we got the wine.
Wine. Oh,
Oh, coffee whiskey.
coffee. Whiskey and coffee? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, here's some right there. Is that it? Okay. Jay, you try it.
I'll try it.
Oh,
This is made of the Maravi prawns.
Okay.
okay.
It's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells chocolatey. Chocolate?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee.
Oh, okay.
It just smells chocolatey to me.
That's thick.
Do you like?
It's sweet.
See?
Sweet.
It's sweet.
Liquor de cacao.
Oh. Oh boy.
Okay. Okay. Let's try this too.
She warned us it's strong.
Oh.
Does it give you goosebumps?
It's not near as good as this. This was a lot better. This was like very sweet. Like I say, kind of chocolatey.
It's snowing! Candy apple. I've had a candy apple after dinner. It's my dessert. It's hard not to get one because everybody sells them here. And they're only $1. Can you believe it? Awesome. I love it. This is a good one.
Jay's gonna turn into a cherry.
What?
I said, Jay's gonna turn into a cherry.
Okay. If we stay in Cuenca any longer, we're gonna start turning red. I've lost track of how many pounds of cherries we've eaten.
They're just so good. I can't even just tell you. Can't even describe it. Like, these cherries are so big and delicious.
They're perfect.
Oh, good. It's a vibe, I'm telling you. It's awesome. That bass is so loud.
I know.
Like,
You can feel it. We got 1 hour to go. It's 11 o'clock. We decided to go for a walk around the block because the square is getting to be chaotic.
Yeah. When you shoot off those Roman candles, if you're holding them, you get the ash from Roman candles. But we're not even shooting them off, and we're getting ash in our
Like,
face.
covered in ash, getting your
Oh my
eyes.
god. So anyways, we're taking a little break from the square. From all the pop, pop, pop everywhere.
Yeah.
Get some fresh air. It's not so smoky or it's sulfury smelling.
It's getting to be nonstop. There's
Yeah.
like fireworks nonstop now.
Everywhere.
Oh.
Every time you hear a whiz, you like,
time we turn around,
where
you're
is that firework going? Because some people just do not pay attention when they're. Oh my gosh.
Pointing the Roman candle sideways while they look around,
Yeah.
shooting into the crowd, you know.
Funny. There was a whole group of older people with Roman candles too, and I'm like, not only for young people. I thought that was cute. Oh my god. I do think it's funny to see people carrying dolls around with them. Like,
Yeah, all their stuff, whatever those things are.
right now we're heading back to Park Calderon because it's getting close to midnight. We're gonna squeeze in with the other thousands of people.
Yeah, 25 to 25 minutes.
See that yellow figure over there? Can you imagine carrying that around all night long? I couldn't. Hey, can you imagine carrying that around all night long?
No,
way.
it's like carrying a human being
I
around.
know. Woo! Seriously, there's fireworks
It's
going
like
off everywhere.
non-stop
Oh.
fireworks. It's not even midnight. It's
I
like
know.
20 minutes before.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Oh, there's like stuff in the air all over.
Oh yeah.
Hey? Big fires. What's happening? I feel like there's really no rhyme or
It's like
reason.
grilling fireworks now.
People
Oh
are
my God.
throwing fireworks in the fire,
That's always a good idea.
right? All the effigies, people are still piling them on.
Oh, there's another big one thrown in there.
What is happening right now?
Look over here. There's a big cake on the ground.